I went into it green. I've owned, tent trailers and smaller size campers and different things, but I didn't know much about them. I knew plug it in and there you go. I am Mike Gunther from British Columbia, Canada. Heard about this course kind of on my travels, but started out, burnt out, job, was working very many hours, no holidays, things like that. Did it for the rest of my entire life. Just got tired. Decided to sell everything, and my wife and I decided to buy a camper and travel for a year. My wife wasn't happy with the way it was set up, so she wanted to renovate it. So we gutted the whole thing and renovated the whole thing, and kind of found out that I enjoyed it. And then wanted to learn a bit more about the trailer and how does it work, and it was a lot to know. My wife one day was on YouTube looking at changing lanes, and came to visit the RV course here. And my wife said, "Why don't you do this?" Wasn't really hyped at first because who wants to go back to school? But got thinking about it more and more, and I thought, you know what, that'd be a great business. Started to research it a little bit, called dealerships around my area. There were no techs. Nobody was registered. Nobody even really knew the full scope. They just had a guy that knew how to do a couple things here and another guy did a couple things there. So kind of realized there's a big need for it where I'm from. So decided to sign up. They had some room for me, and here I am. I'm only in the first week here, and we're just in fundamentals. And I'm not saying I thought I knew everything. I didn't. But my goodness, the things I'm learning even just the last few days is surprising me. And even putting my own just basic knowledge into certain things, saying, I didn't even know that. I'm excited to be certified as a tech so I can actually bring some value to what I do. I'm excited to go back to BC and not just fix RVs and but to help people, but also to kind of teach them some of the things about their own RV that they don't even know. So I'm very excited for the next 4 weeks learning to be a tech and delving deeper and deeper into the specific items like the refrigerator, the air conditioner, all those different parts. Yeah, I'm looking forward to starting my own business and being my own boss.